Hi, my name is Lenox Smith. I live in the state of Rhode Island. I became a medical marijuana patient in the year 2007. The reason this all came about was I was sent to a pain clinic doctor because I was not sleeping. I was still teaching at that time, and I was not able to sleep with two medical issues. I have Ehlers Danlos and Sarcoidosis, neither of which have any cure at this time. And the doctor looked at my medical records and basically didn't know what to do with me and asked if I would consider trying some cannabis to see if it would make a difference in my life or not. I called the pulmonologist because of the sarcoidosis in my chest, not knowing if it would be safe to even use it, assuming in my brain that I was going to have to smoke it. And he said, that's great, you can use it provided you vaporize, take an oil, tincture, anything else but smoking. Otherwise that would be fatal. So that night I was scared to death. I had tried it once in college. I did not like, I'm a wuss, I didn't like the sensation of feeling out of control of my body, which is what I experienced in college. Didn't understand that if you had a body in pain, it was going to be a very different reaction. So I converted the product I got at that time, unfortunately, on the black market because there was no option to get it anywhere in the state of Rhode Island. You could be a patient, but you either grew it or you had to go on the black market back in 2007. Converted it into an oil. Took a teaspoon, warned my husband that I had just taken it, assuming I was going to be crazy for the rest of the night, and instead, next thing I know, it was morning, and I'd slept the entire night for the first time in over a year, more than a year, actually. So from that point on, I ended up having to lose my career as a teacher, and instantly, as an older person, I started this at 54, I realized that I needed to use my voice to help other people not be afraid of cannabis, understand that there was a chance for quality of life in a safe way with no side effects. In time, I actually did have DNA drug sensitivity testing done to show that all these years of my life, I had been reacting to all sorts of medications. I literally was not metabolizing any of the opiates, aspirin, Tylenol, Benadryl, and the list goes on and on. So here I finally found something that my body could metabolize and has given me quality of life back. And ever since then, my husband and I have spent our time advocating in the state of Rhode Island, and eventually we became the co-directors for cannabis advocacy for the U.S. Pain Foundation in hopes to see everybody and everywhere in this country have equal access, affordability, and a chance to have return of quality, improvement of the quality of their life like we are having here in Rhode Island.